We've got a great little selection here. It is going to go quickly, and I'll show you why. This is, we've had some faux leathers, and these faux leathers have been fabulous, and they have gone very quickly. This is a navy, and everyone keeps asking me, do you have any navy? Do you have any navy? It has stretch in both directions. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's just absolutely stunning. So that it's a deep, rich navy. It's just really pretty. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. Great for like a pair of jeans, or jean-like, or just a pair of slacks. But it's really nice. It's just a woven. But if you look at this plaid that it goes with, the plaid is beautiful, and you can see it brings in the royal and it brings in the navy. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. It's just perfect for this is rag and bone. Just perfect for all the little shirts we wear in the wintertime underneath things as we layer. And then this is a great knit. We had a little bit like this is a little bit different color. This is more of a the other had a little more greenish tint to it. This is a more beige tint. But you can see I can put it next to a couple of those fabrics, how beautifully it blends there, how pretty it goes with the navy also. It's just a pretty fabric. It's got a great selvage. You want to, I did a little wrap on this a couple webcasts ago, and you want to see that. And this is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Not a lot of stretch, but enough that you can, it's a knit. And then you want to look at this. These are two fabrics now that we shipped. And I put this in because look how pretty it goes with that also. It's just a really nice neutral. This is a designer. We couldn't tell the designer. It's a panel print. You can see how pretty that there's the one panel, just like that. We only have a couple panels, so this is not going to be around. We only have a couple panels. And this is 100% viscose. And then this is also 100% viscose. This is authentic Hermes. And again, there's only a couple yards left, but I thought I would leave it here rather than put it in the store. And if anybody got some or needed a little bit more. But again, these two fabrics were pre-ordered. Everything's been shipped out a couple days ago, so you should be getting it any day. They're just a beautiful collection of fabrics. So we're privileged to bring them to you. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.